Alright everyone, let's kick things off with Ollama. Imagine this. You have the power of cutting-edge large language models, but you control them completely, running them right on your own computer. That's the beauty of Ollama. It's open source, free, and focuses on local processing, which means increased privacy and control over your data. Think of it as having your own personal AI assistant, without the corporate overlords looking over your shoulder. But here's the catch. Ollama uses a command line interface, or CLI, which isn't ideal for everyone. Many of us are used to a smooth, intuitive graphical interface. That's where today's adventure comes in. We're going to explore several open-source web UIs designed to make Ollama far more accessible. Show montage of different LLM interfaces and Ollama's command line. Transition to a friendly, approachable graphic showing a simplified web UI overlaid on a computer screen. The possibilities are endless. Using this software, you can essentially bring the power of advanced AI into your everyday workflow. Whether you're a writer, researcher, or just someone curious about the capabilities of LLMs, this is great news. This is a significant step towards democratizing access to powerful AI technologies, and that's exciting. We're talking about putting the control back in your hands, guys. So let's dive into the options for making Ollama user-friendly. Now, I've personally tested several of these open-source projects that bring a beautiful, functional web interface to Ollama. We're not talking about rocket science here, folks. These web UIs vary significantly in their features and complexity. Some are remarkably simple. Others are quite feature-rich, giving you a wide range of options. This includes things like support for multiple models, advanced settings, and sometimes even integration with other tools that allow for really advanced AI interactions, like image generation or voice interactions. Show quick snippets of screenshots of each UI mentioned in the article, Page Assist, Open Web UI, Lobe Chat, etc., highlighting key features of each. It's incredibly empowering to see communities collaborate on these projects and make AI technology more readily available to the masses. Let's imagine you're working on a detailed research paper. A user-friendly Ollama interface speeds up your process dramatically. How about writing a script or crafting website copy? These intuitive UIs make it far more efficient to use Ollama, reducing time and increasing output to help you succeed, and that's what truly matters. Ultimately, finding the perfect UI often comes down to personal preference. Do you need something complex? Or would a simple, straightforward interface suffice? It's all about your individual needs and workflow. Let's shift gears here and delve into the realm of visual intelligence for a minute. This field is fascinating, allowing computers to see and understand images, videos, and much more. It fuels powerful applications across many industries, but traditionally, only large corporations have been able to leverage these sophisticated visual intelligence systems. Why? Well, it boils down to several major hurdles. We're talking about substantial costs. The hardware, software licenses, and cloud services required to run sophisticated visual AI systems can be astronomically expensive, significantly limiting accessibility for smaller businesses and individuals. Show a graphic comparing the costs of proprietary solutions versus open-source alternatives. Then, there's the complexity of implementation. Setting these systems up and keeping them running necessitates a high level of specialized expertise which most smaller organizations simply don't have. Adding to these challenges are the significant data privacy issues that surround visual AI. Applications involving facial recognition, in particular, have serious implications for data security and raise ethical concerns. Finally, many traditional solutions struggle with customization. They're largely inflexible, making them hard to adapt to unique applications or smaller-scale deployments. These limitations stifle innovation, leaving many potentially beneficial applications unexplored. The lack of accessibility in AI is a truly serious issue. It stifles innovation and prevents countless individuals and small businesses from leveraging the potential of this transformative technology. This inequality isn't just about money. It's about opportunity and empowerment. It's about ensuring that powerful AI tools aren't the exclusive domain of large corporations. Show footage of diverse people from different backgrounds using AI tools: entrepreneurs, students, researchers. The good news is, we're starting to see a shift. Companies are working on more affordable and user-friendly AI solutions. Open-source projects are flourishing, providing alternatives that are easier to implement and customize. Initiatives are beginning to focus on addressing ethical concerns and ensuring data privacy for all. We're also seeing a rise in educational programs that make AI more approachable for a wider audience. All of these advancements combined are slowly but effectively bringing AI into the hands of people who traditionally have been excluded. That's a very encouraging trend, and it's vital for the equitable development of this powerful field. This democratization of AI is precisely why it's so exciting. It levels the playing field, fueling innovation and solving problems across our world. And guys, we need to keep pushing towards this inclusivity. We need to make it a priority. Now, let's take a look at something truly cool. Meta's AI. At first glance, these glasses look like a normal pair of stylish sunglasses, but boy, they are incredibly advanced. We're talking hands-free voice command texting, real-time data access, and even live streaming capability. All of these impressive functions are made possible through their seamless integration with Meta's AI. Show footage of the reviewer using the glasses for various tasks, such as voice texting, taking pictures, making calls, and live streaming. My personal experience was transformative. Running errands with my 3 kids, a daily adventure in organizational chaos, became infinitely easier. I could use the hands-free note-taking functionality to create my shopping list and receive text from my husband without ever having to pull out my phone. I could easily snap photos of products at Target to avoid impulse purchases and ask Meta AI for alternative product recommendations. Honestly, it streamlined my shopping experience in ways I never imagined possible. Of course, no technology is perfect, and these smart glasses are no exception. I must also mention that there are some areas where improvements could be made. For example, the battery life isn't the best, and while the voice-to-text worked great in quiet environments, it struggled a bit in noisy places like the Target checkout line. I sometimes had to repeat myself several times. Show a split screen comparing the glasses' performance in quiet versus noisy settings. Also, it is important to note that a robust internet connection, Wi-Fi, is absolutely crucial for most functionalities. While my test locations were well equipped with Wi-Fi, having a failsafe like a mobile hotspot could be necessary in other situations. Ultimately, the minor drawbacks haven't diminished my overall appreciation for these glasses. The convenience they offer far outweighs the minor inconveniences. The integration of AI into these glasses revolutionizes the user experience, making tasks simpler and more enjoyable. This is the kind of seamless technological integration that makes life truly better, and that is truly worthy of appreciation. Looking ahead, the future of AI is incredibly promising. We're just scratching the surface of what this technology can do. The advancements we're witnessing in areas like LLMs, visual intelligence, and wearable tech promise to radically change our lives in the coming years. We're starting to see AI integrated into everyday objects, making our lives simpler, more efficient, and more enjoyable. Show a montage of futuristic AI applications, self-driving cars, smart homes, advanced medical devices. This isn't just about convenience, folks. It's about solving some of the world's most pressing issues. Imagine AI assisting in medical diagnoses, educating students in personalized ways, and even helping us combat climate change. This will significantly improve quality of life, access to knowledge, and global sustainability for the advancement of both our personal and professional lives. This progress, however, also necessitates a thoughtful and responsible approach. We must address ethical concerns, protect data privacy, and ensure equitable access for everyone. It's vital that we avoid widening the digital divide and instead work towards a future where AI empowers everyone. It's our collective responsibility to foster a future where AI is a force for good and helps us build a more sustainable and equitable world. We are at a pivotal moment in history, and every single one of you has a part to play in shaping the future landscape of AI. So, what are your thoughts? What are your favorite AI tools? What challenges have you encountered in accessing AI technologies? Let's talk in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future updates. I'm incredibly grateful for your support. Thanks as always from Team All About AI Tech. We'll be looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, keep exploring the magic of AI. Remember, your engagement enables us to continue creating amazing content. Together, let's push the boundaries of innovation and unlock even more incredible possibilities in the amazing world of artificial intelligence.